Today I will show you how to draw the ghost. Let's go. I will draw it in my iPad. You can draw with pencils, with markers, with everything you want. I take the black color. Then I draw the bottom. Then I think I have to color the ghost. I can do like this, but I think it's not honest with you, so I color with pencil brush. It's brush. Drawing like pencil. I think like marker. Okay, we did this. Then we need to draw the eyes of ghost. We have to take dark color, black color. It will be black color. Those eyes are round. One eye is smaller and one eye is bigger. Second eye is bigger. Bigger. Ghost mouth has smile, little smile. Like this. Okay. Nice smile. And the ghost has hands. Black color and draw like this. Coloring with gray color. then our ghost has tongue. I think tongue is pink color. Pink, like this. Then we can draw the shadow on the tongue. The shadow is also pink, but darker. I think like this. It's finished. Our ghost is finished.